ओपिनियन पोल डेच्या वादान सुरू जाल्लो राजकीय वाद आता मध्यावधी वेंचणुकेचे संकेता मेरेन पावला। सिनियर मंत्री फ्रांसीस म्हणटा ते प्रमाण गोंयांत 1-1.5 वर्सांत वेंचणूक जावंक शकता। युती सरकाराच्यो कसरती खंय चड तेंप चलनात।
No. Early elections is a possibility. Is a possibility which cannot be ruled out. But there is no guarantee that it will happen. It's one of the possibilities. Like Vice President Venkaiah Naidu said, it is better for Goa to go for elections in 2019. When Venkaiah Naidu came to Goa, he said it is better for Goa to have the elections, assembly elections with the Lok Sabha elections.
Along with.
So I feel it could be a hint. It could be a hint. Coalition governments are difficult to run. There are too many pulls and pressures. So the best solution would have been have early election and get out of that coalition mess. What I would really want to say too many pressures, but when you have a coalition, you have to make adjustments. It is important, no? You cannot run an alliance on my party lines itself. Our party manifesto is different. We have to adjust to the coalition partners. If you want to run the government, if you don't want to run the government, you can say bye-bye.
विचारल्यार PWD मंत्री मोगोचो फुडारी सुदीन म्हणटा सरकार खंय भक्कम 5 वर्सां हालपाचें ना।
कोएलिशन हें जें डिसिजन घेतलां गव्हर्मेंट जावपाचें तें हांवें माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर, विजय सरदेसाय आणि नितीनजी गडकरी along with the leaders of BJP. So let BJP leaders decide on it. जालेंच तें खरें, कोणी उलयलो ताका अर्थ ना असले हातून। हांव इतलेंच सांगता, हें जें गव्हर्मेंट आमी केलां तें आमच्या कापास्ताद आसा 5 वर्सां हें चलोवपाचें आनी आमी तें चलयतले।
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट।